Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us on a Saturday morning. And really appreciate that you guys are taking the time to join the session, learn something new today with us. So today's topic is strengthened by Copilot with Microsoft 365, and where we will talk a little bit more about Microsoft 365 and how you can use it on Microsoft 365 tools and how you can make it better. So today we have Zani, who is a Microsoft MVP, and he's gonna talk more about this topic and explain how you can do it. Before we get into it, I would love to talk about Microsoft, Code Without Barriers, and we have our Code Without Barriers ambassador Sneed, who is joining us, and she is gonna help us understand and Code Without Barriers and what they've been doing. How you can take advantage, what are they offering in Code Without Barriers. So let's just get into it. Over to you, Sunil.
Thank you, Srag. Great to be here, and hello to everybody dialing in and listening later. Hopefully, there'll be a few of you who are dialing in. My name is Sinead Fitzgerald. I am dialing from Sydney in Australia. I am the co-lead for Code Without Barriers for Australia and New Zealand. My pronouns are she, her. I am an Australian Irish woman, as I say, dialing in from Australia. Now, I have been involved with Code Without Barriers on and off for about a year, and I am incredibly privileged to share this information with you. I'm very proud to be able to share all of what we are taking you through today. So Code Without Barriers is I'm just going to go through my slides, sorry. So Code Without Barriers has been running for a number of years. It was set up by an initiative from Satya Nadella to empower and to raise the skill level of women across Asia. And so we are absolutely thrilled to be able to deliver this program, and the idea being that it is a skilling opportunity for everybody, and particularly important around this time, where we see every industry and every sector of society being powered by tech and being impacted by technology and AI and Copilot. And these specific tech solutions are powering the transformations that we are seeing across industry and across society. And we see, however, that there are, potential concerns or, hidden worries that, or, people might have that they don't know and understand, the technology well enough to be able to really implement it. And so what we want to do is make sure that we are actually uplifting and upskilling women, non-binary and individuals to have a seat at the table and be able to really carve out new careers and opportunities for themselves through technology and through Code Without Barriers. So our real goal is to close the gender gap across the region. And we feel that we are absolutely making strides to do this. And so for me, being involved in this, I'm in the tech industry, but I'm actually not technical. I work in a sales environment, in a partnership environment. I work with organizations across Asia, all the way from ANZ to ASEAN, Japan, Korea. And I don't actually work with many in India at this point, but hopefully that will change at some point in the future. And I see the value of tech and how we can, change people's lives through technology. And so this is incredibly powerful for me. So just a couple of stats on where we're at. We have seen the World Economic Forum has released the Global Gender Gap report. Excuse me. And we have seen, even in the last 2 years, a tiny increase in the number of women who identify that they are in tech and that they are actually coding or that they are working in cloud. But the share of women in STEM as it stands is still very low, and we need to at least get to the stage where we have parity with women and men at the table, making decisions and designing technology initiatives together. And so that's why we wanted to create Code Without Barriers, to really sort of grow the tech community as much as we can. We've actually reached out to 67 tech communities. We've been working with and training about 500,000 developers, which has then increased, a significant amount of the tech diversity in this region. But there is a lot more that we need to do. And so what do we do? Well, as Code Without Barriers, from a Microsoft perspective, our role is to bring talent up from the region into the communities that we are working with. We are here to build an incredible sort of pool of talent that we can then start to push in through the communities and into our customer base and into our partner base. And so we're able to then bring the skill set and bring the level of tech literacy up with all of that as well. One of my roles in Code Without Barriers is to liaise directly with our customers and partners to make sure that they are understanding that this is it's a free opportunity for them to upskill and train the women in their business, as well as train and skill the women and the leaders in their business to mentor the alumni from Code Without Barriers, and to ensure that we have a great flow and almost a flywheel effect where we're sort of creating a mentoring program for those who have gone through the training, and then they are able to pay that forward as well. So how do we do this? We actually look through a number of pillars. So the key pillars being skilling and partnerships, mentorship, community, and hackathons. So we have one large hackathon each year, and that goes out to women across Asia. And we have partners who create a problem statement, and then we actually put forward create rather groups to come together and either hack as a group or hack individually, and then potentially get an internship as part of their winning prize. So that has been incredibly successful, and we've had already about just shy of 5,000 participants taking part in the global hackathon. And today we're providing some skilling and training, and we've been doing that throughout the last week or so, and I think it will continue with our great partners. And so, what a call to action that I would have for you is, if you enjoy this skilling and you've learned something, I would really encourage you to tell people about it, to post about it on LinkedIn, to invite your the women in your lives to make sure that they are also coming to join this community. If you do have organizations, or you work for a company and you feel that this is something that you think, wow, we should be doing this and rolling a program like this out in our business, then please feel free to reach out. I will put the LinkedIn post QR code at the end of this slide. So please do feel free to reach out. And then once you've gone through some of the skilling, maybe it's an opportunity for you to develop your own sort of leadership skills and become a mentor. So that is also another opportunity, and we'd love to talk with you about that. This will give you a quick snapshot of some of the partners that we have worked with in the region. And so you can see that it is just a multitude of different organizations that are embracing this opportunity with us to upskill women in technology. And here is a sample of some of the amazing meetups that we've had. A lot of them are online, but many do actually happen in real life, in person. And you can see that we've had a number of meetups in ASEAN, across ANZ and India, and there are many more as well that I could take you through. But this will just give you an example of the great community and the diverse community that we are creating together. And some great stories here. I'm conscious of time, so I won't go all the way through them. But we're seeing women's lives being changed as a result of participating in Code Without Barriers. But not just the women's lives, we're also seeing, um, you know, leaders within business actually see a change in their own communities, in the how their communities within their organization are sponsoring women to excel in technology. So with that, I am going to put this up on screen, and hopefully I'll give you a second or two um, to take a screenshot of, or to take a photo, or use your phone. We have a LinkedIn group, which is thriving. So I would love for you, if you haven't already joined, to please scan that QR code on the bottom and please join our LinkedIn group. In that group, you can meet other Code Without Barriers participants. You can apply and do a meetup yourself if you want to run a Code Without Barriers event in your area and you're looking for help. You can contact us through that LinkedIn profile, and we will help you. And then the QR code on the top is a link into our website. So again, please sign up, share the news, share the goodwill that we have, that we want to provide this training as an opportunity to upskill everybody. And so I'll stay on the line for a little bit if anyone has any conversation, any questions. But otherwise, thank you so much for your attention, especially on a Saturday morning. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Sunil, for the explanation. I've shared all the link that so far discussed in the end of it. In the chat box, feel free to check it out if you're not able to scan it and go over there. So again, thank you everyone. And we'll go into the main event of the session. So I would like to give it to Zani, who's our speaker for today, and dive into the session. Zani, are you there?
Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yeah, we can get started with the session.
Yes. Firstly, I want to say thank you, my ambassador, and my friend Suresh. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay. We will start our session. Today, the most of the people know the Copilot. It's a very important our session, and then I want to show you the some of the main topic, and I want to show you the demo. Yeah, this is very important. Most of the people are confused Copilot and ChatGPT and other Copilot lesson. How to learn Copilot lesson. This is a very important for this time. I want to show you this confused and nervous area. I want to show you my presentation slide. First, to show you the no, please. Can you see my screen, Suresh?
Yes, we can see it.
Hello everyone. I want to share, and this is strengthened by my Copilot for Micro 365, and this is my PowerPoint, and you can see uh, our topic is strengthened by Copilot for Micro 365, and this is my profile. My name is Zani Tin. I'm MCD and also MVP. You can contact to my social network, LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, and this is my blog. And I'm MCD and also MVP. I'm MCD since 2014 and MVP since 2019. This time is the sixth time in our organization. Thank you so much, our organization. I appreciate my friend Suraj and this organization, and today our session is CWB is very important for our future life journey. And then I want to show you the this history of Microsoft Office. And you can see Microsoft launched in 1975. uh, Today's Microsoft journey is nearly 30 years. Today this Microsoft is this next year, 2040 2025, Microsoft just arrived 30 years history. And you can see this is a history of the Office 365 also. Microsoft milestone. Microsoft started as Microsoft Office, and Microsoft is next step is the Office 365. And today Microsoft launched Microsoft 365. This is a Microsoft 365 journey. And you can see Microsoft Office launched in 1990. First version is 1.0, second is 2.0, and the Microsoft Office 95, 97, Office XP, Office 2003, 2007, and then Microsoft Office 2016, and later version is 2022 and 2024. This is the latest version is 2024. Yeah. And first of all, you need to learn the what is Microsoft Office 2016 example. And first you must need to know the Microsoft. What is Microsoft? Microsoft is a company name, and this is a very clear. And the second one is the what sorry, Office means this is a productivity software suite. And the final 2016 is the version. It's the not a year. It does not means a year. This is a version. And you can see the every years Microsoft doesn't product this doesn't develop of Microsoft Office. This is very clear. And this is Microsoft second generation, and the final is the Microsoft 365. Microsoft Office is in 2011. This is a Microsoft Office launch. This is not the traditional way. This is a subscription based. First Microsoft Office is traditional ways, and the second is the subscription based. And then you can, if you want to use cloud in the integration, you must need the Office 365. And then you can use the multiple device. It means is the you can use the telephone as is a phone, mobile phone, and then you can use a laptop, and you can use a tablet. Yeah, you can with the multiple devices. And also this is Microsoft 365 launch in 2017. It is Microsoft 365 is a combination of the Microsoft Office 365 EMB. EMB means is the enterprise mobility security. And then Microsoft Windows 10, Windows 11. This is a comprehensive suite. And then this is advanced education, advanced security, and the AI and productivity include the Microsoft 365. You must learn the Microsoft license is very important for your user. And every user is aware can this must awareness this license area. And first you need learn the license areas. Microsoft Office is a one-time purchase. This perpetually, this is a license. This is a forever license. And the second is not a traditional way. This is Office 365 and Microsoft 365 based on the subscriptional basis. And you know the monthly or yearly license. And final, you need to learn the additional license. Additional license is very important for Copilot for Microsoft 365. You can see Copilot for Microsoft license is additional license. It's not a base license. This is a additional license only. And if you want to use Copilot for Microsoft 365, you can directly purchase Copilot for Microsoft 365 license. You need to a base license. It means Microsoft 365 plan is the first step. Second step is you can edit this is a Copilot for Microsoft 365 license. Microsoft Copilot, this type is three type. If you can see the Copilot free, and this is the first step. If you don't buy purchase Microsoft subscription buys, you can use the Copilot free. Yeah. And the second is the subscription base. Subscription base is two type of the secretion base. First is Copilot Pro. Copilot Pro means it's as a personal family user. It means it's a personal, you can use the personal account. Example, Hotmail or Outlook. It is a personal account, and this is you can promote your subscription base, and is the you can use the Copilot Pro. I will show the demo is the later. Okay, and the second is Copilot for Micro 365. Copilot for Micro 365 is emphasize and focus is to the business user and enterprise user. And this is a very different. Okay, and then you can see this is a three pillar, and the first is a Copilot free. Copilot free is you can use the foundational capability, web cloning. This is commercial data protection, priority model access. This you can if you want to use the priority model access and the Copilot in Outlook, you must purchase the Copilot Pro. It does not include the free license. Free account. You must purchase this is a Copilot Pro or Copilot for Microsoft 365. Copilot Pro and Copilot for Microsoft 365 is a different prices. As Copilot Pro is $20 per month or per user, and Copilot for Microsoft 365 is the focus of the business account. This is $30 per user or per month. Yeah, and this is a different. Okay, I will show you the demo. And then I go to my account, and I'm using a new in private window. I'll go to the copilot.microsoft.com. This is a Copilot website. You can see I don't need I don't do the sign button, and this I'm the free to use the Microsoft Copilot, and then can get start, and first name, and then next. Okay, this is a free for Microsoft Copilot, and then you can see this button. I'm using the English word hard box. You can see this is Microsoft explain the how about whether it's wrong spelling, because Microsoft understand this is weather, and then Microsoft explain all about the Myanmar weather. This is I'm using this language is the English language, and now I'm using the Burmese language. Okay, and then Copilot GNOME. This is a computer system, and then you can see this is a Copilot answer, and then I want to show you that this is a Copilot for free. Yeah, and now the second step is the Copilot Pro. Yeah, Copilot Pro. This is a Microsoft. This is a Hotmail, and then you can see this is Copilot Pro, and then you can see this is my account. This is my account, and then you can I want to use Copilot Pro. First you need to base license is Hotmail or Outlook Mail, and then you can see this is a Microsoft Copilot Pro, and then you can go to the Copilot Pro, and the Copilot Pro means this is license account, and then try Copilot Pro. You can see this is a Microsoft Copilot Pro license. Fees is $20 per user, or this is a per month. This is a second way. Yeah. Final, I want to show you the demo is Copilot for Microsoft 365. This is my account. My account is using this Copilot for Microsoft 365 license, and you can see this is my billing button, and then you can click your product this button, and this account is using Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365, and then you can click the traditional Microsoft Word. You can see this is a Copilot logo, and then Copilot can help our this innovations this site, and enhance our product. This is very easy and very useful. And then you can see this is a Copilot logo, and I want to create the computer system. Create computer system, and then you can see Copilot can create the computer system this document, very easy. And this is I'm using the Copilot in my power this is a Microsoft Word. Okay, and then I want to show you the another way. I'm using the Microsoft Windows Microsoft PowerPoint, and then you can see this is my PowerPoint app, and then you can see the Copilot logo, and then you can click this logo, and you can see this is Copilot create a presentation from this is a file. This is very important, yeah. And if you want to create in your presentation from the file, your files need to save your own drive. This is a OneDrive or this is a PowerShell, yeah. And this is a very important where do you save your account, your file or your document. This is a very important. Okay, I want to show you this is a create a presentation, and I can click there my file, and then you can see this is a photo and file. I'm saving this my OneDrive account, and then I can click some item and create a presentation from make trend report. Okay, this is a protein above the protein. Okay, Copilot can create the presentation slide. Okay, this is main title, a market trend report, and then you can see this is Microsoft Copilot create a picture, and then you can see this is create the Microsoft Copilot create the content. This is an idea and the other innovative point of view. This is a very useful, and then this is a Copilot in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, I want to go back to my slide. Okay, next step I want to talk this is a Copilot and different it's a ChatGPT. Yeah, most of the people know ChatGPT and today are using the ChatGPT is very useful in our environment, and you can see this is a different Microsoft Copilot and ChatGPT. Copilot owned by Microsoft, and ChatGPT owned by OpenAI organization. Okay, you can see my Copilot is integration with Microsoft 365. It means a Copilot. It is means a Copilot for Microsoft 365. Second is the tech specific assistant, and the final is the footnote and reference. This is Microsoft Copilot. And second thing is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a general AI assistant, and second is a standalone application, and final is the content creation. This is ChatGPT. But Microsoft and OpenAI extends partnership in 2023, January 33. Microsoft announced, and this is very important. But Microsoft Copilot and ChatGPT is different, and because Microsoft and OpenAI is the partner. Yeah, OpenAI is the partner, you know. And then today strengthen Copilot for Microsoft 365. Today's session is the 5 things. It's automation of the text, time efficiency, and there's enhanced creativity and innovation, increased portability, and improve collaboration. This is this text is our today our section. Okay, and you can see this is how Copilot for Microsoft 365 work. And first, you know the user, Microsoft Copilot user, and they're using the device. Second is the Microsoft 365 apps. Microsoft 365 apps is a Team, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook. Also means it's a Microsoft 365 app. The user using the Microsoft 365 app and Microsoft Copilot, and this is help to the organization in organization. You need to the Microsoft Copilot license, and Copilot can search in the data in your organization. It means the Teams, SharePoint, Chat, OneDrive. Copilot can search by using the Microsoft Graph. Microsoft Graph is a Copilot very important area. And the organization data, example, OneDrive, Exchange Online, SharePoint, and Team Chat. This is very clear information for Copilot for Microsoft 365. Yeah, but you can learn more your knowledge and way to how to learn and how to use Microsoft 365. You must need the other areas very useful from Microsoft Learn. Okay, Copilot logical architecture. This is things. A user can initiate a Copilot prompt. A prompt is very important for AI technology. Also, it is you're using the Copilot. Copilot prompt from device have the Microsoft 365 apps installed, and the Copilot component include the three things. First is the Copilot service. It means orchestra respond to Copilot prompt. And second is the instance of the Copilot graph. Copilot graph is very important. Final is the Copilot 365 techniques that contain your organization data. Okay. Second is this Copilot components, cool component. Copilot cool component is the Microsoft Graph. Microsoft Graph can search data in your organization. Yes, Microsoft Graph is the collaboration tools and Microsoft Copilot to work together. Yeah, this is the second way. I'm one of the MCD. I'm also one of the MCD Microsoft Certified Trainer. I'm teaching in our country, Myanmar. You know the some of the organizations today learn the Copilot for Microsoft 365. I am teaching MS 14004 is Empower Workforce Copilot use case. You can see this is the not only one focus area. This is executive levels, sales level, AI department, and the marketing department, finance department, HR, also operational department. If you are the sales person, you can use the Copilot for sale, and this is a very useful and effective area. Okay. First, you need to save your data in your OneDrive account. You need a OneDrive account is a salary features within. This is a Microsoft 365 Copilot. If you are a student, and then you can use the Extreme Lab. Extreme Lab means is the BYO. BYO means bring your own. Bring your own means is you must save your own account in your OneDrive or your SharePoint account. This is very important. Second things, prompt and prompt engineer is the different. Prompt and prompt engineer as key concept to help you create a powerful generative. This is AI capability. This is very important. Prompt is there's a very useful. This is a natural language. This is instruction, and you can see the LLM is very important. And second thing is a prompt engineer. Prompt engineer is the product. This is a prompt by this model, and this is very important. If you use the AI model, AI model is the free. You can see you can see mobile phone. You can search your apps store. Also, this is Apple Store, or this is Google Play Store, and you can download many of the it's a AI apps, and you can use the AI technology, and you must learn the prompt. What is a prompt? A prompt is the way how to ask and how to use your AI text. Okay, this is very important. I want to show you a demo, and I'm using my PowerPoint. First, I can click the Copilot logo. You can see Copilot hints this is a create a presentation from. The second is a create a presentation about understand. Understand is a two way. What are the date and deadline in this presentation, and then understand this is the show key slide in this text, and create a picture image. Yeah, this is a prompt. And then you can if you want to move prompt, you can click the view prompt, and then view move prompt. This is from prompt from the Microsoft Lab, and you can click the see move prompt, and the Copilot dot cloud.com. This is a Copilot Lab, and you can see apps. This is Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and the text. You can see how to create, edit, ask, standard, understand. This is a text. And then if you use the job, if you are the HR manager, if you are the marketing manager, or if you are the communication manager, you can click what prompt you need to use. This is a very important. Okay, this is a prompt section and a prompt area. Okay, and second way I want to show you the you can go to MS4004 GitHub, and you can click the GitHub site, and in this instruction and you can click the lab. You can see this is the step-by-step lab, and if you are executive level or leader level, you must learn how to improve your knowledge and your way. And you can see this is introduction, and you can click the introduction tab, and you can read how to portability, how to insight, how to use the collaboration, customization, integration to the Microsoft 365. This is very important. And you can see this use the Microsoft 365 business check, and then this is a Copilot in what is business check. I want to show you the business check is a two-way, and normal check and business check is a different. Okay, I want to show. Okay, this is my account. My account is using Copilot for Microsoft 365, and you can see I'm using the Microsoft Team. Microsoft Team include the Copilot for Microsoft license. You can see this is Copilot in Microsoft Team. Yeah. Okay, I want to show you the business check. Business check mean this is you can see that this is a Copilot logo in Microsoft Team, and you can click the this Copilot logo. Okay, and then you can see in the Microsoft Copilot logo in the Microsoft Team, and then you can see summarize all email in the this email meeting. There's 30 days, and then Copilot can summarize this which date your meeting, and which is your arrangement. Copilot feedback very useful item, and then you can see this is it is called mean that this is a business check. Another way you can I want to click the next way, and you can see this is 4004, and then this is a two-way. Yeah. Copilot 365 this is a corporate this is a Copilot in Team, and the business check in Team. This is a different Microsoft 365 Copilot in Team is the it doesn't access organization data. This is outside the organization. Business check is a feature is access all your teams check. Yeah, the experience, and then your email. This is a business check, and Copilot in Team is a different. Okay, I want to show the this item business check. Second, I want to show you the business check. Not business check. This is a Microsoft 365 Copilot in Team. I want to show. Okay, and then I'm going. If you are using Copilot in your check, you can see this is organization. You check organization, and then you can see this is a Copilot logo, and you can click your check Copilot logo, and then Copilot can summarize your email. This is a one-to-one or one-to group. Copilot can summarize, and then Copilot can have the advice, but you need this is the more conversation to generate to respond. This is a very important, and this it means it's the not a business check, and this is a Microsoft Copilot check. This is a two-way. You can learn this is and 4004 and this Empower Workforce Copilot in use case. This is a different two-way. Yeah, first is Copilot 365. Sorry, Microsoft 365 Copilot in Team. Second is a business check in Team. This is a two-way. Okay. Okay, I want to go back to my slide. Okay, this is how to learn, how to start our journey in for Copilot. First, you need to start this slide, and I want to show you a demo. And you can see this is a first step. Get started with Microsoft 365. This is a very important first step, and you can see introduction to the Microsoft 365. and you can see what is Microsoft 365 Copilot. Explore this how 365 work. Explore the cool component. This is the first step. Yeah, and then you can see you can click the what is Microsoft 365 Copilot, and Microsoft Learn Explain. This is a very detailed and very full document. Yeah, and you can learn this video, and you can watch, and you can note this your learning career. This is very important. This is the first step. Second step is to learn how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot, and you can click. This is the second step. The second step include the Copilot Learning Hub, and then you can see this is the second step. Yeah, start your Copilot learning journey. The first step is to understand Copilot. Second is to adopt this the Copilot. This is step by step. You can learn this side. Okay, and you can see that this is a blog side. This is a video side. This is a more video. If you want to watch the video, this is a very important area. Okay, final. This is the last step. This is final step is this guy, and you can see this is adoption guide. I think most of the organization and most of the people are using the phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3, phase 4, and this is a step by step. Okay, welcome Microsoft 365 Copilot. This is who, why, or how, and when, what. This is a very important, and this is the final step. Okay, if you want to your life career and your next future plan, you must learn AI technology. Is include the Copilot for Microsoft 365. This is very important. Okay, I want to this is Copilot resource in Microsoft adoption, and you can see this is adoption area, and then you can click the edit area, and then you can click this area. And this is the next step. This is adoption and Microsoft Copilot, and then you can see Copilot Microsoft 365. Okay, and then update the success. This is a kit instructor learn training, join the Copilot. This is a very important slide. And take a class if you want to attend your training career, and you can learn the MS 4004. It's today available today, and this is a second this is a part of your learning journey. Yeah, and then you can next step is the Copilot lab. Yeah, Copilot lab. You can see this is a Copilot lab. This lab is very useful, and I'm delivered to my friend Suraj. Suraj can share this slide, and then you can click this link. Okay, and final I want to talk today our section, and Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella. So we are Copilot company. It means Microsoft is the Copilot company, and we believe in the future where there will be a Copilot for everything's everyone's do. Yeah, this is a Satya said. Yeah, and final I want to this main point is experience and education is very important for our life. 1938, John Dewey is written. This is experience and education book. This is a 4 pillar. First is learning through experience. It means if you want to experience, you must learn your education area, and if you want to educator is you learn your experience. This is vice versa. This is very important. And second is active engagement. Active engagement means your if you read your book, not you do your life experience, you didn't nothing experience. Yeah, this is a very simple. If you want to if you can, if you want to be this is a swimming pool, you can drive your your water. This you can drive, you can swim this is this area. And then you can see this is a social content is a very important. And today our section is a social content, and this is an experience, and you can learn the many area. And then final is a reflection is a very important. This is you if you today our section is very difficult for me, because there's not a Microsoft team issue. This is only our country internet issue. Uh, some of the people known in our country is a different situation in using the internet connection. And you can see most of the Microsoft this website can use, because some of the this website is can using the in our country, include the copilot.microsoft.com. Sometimes it's very easy, and sometimes it's very difficult. So I'm using the this is third party organization, but third party organization is the will reduce our internet connection. So I'm very difficult. And today I'm so sorry for our attendees. This is a live area, a live attending person. I'm very and always this is appreciate in your time. And then this is I appreciate your available time is very important. Okay, I will try my best, and my friend Suraj and our organization, we try our best. Thank you so much, Dennis. Okay, see you next event. Thank you. Bye bye.